Foundation transition pest sealing in new home construction stops pests at the vulnerable gaps where basement walls meet house framing. During construction, identify all joints and gaps at the foundation to sill plate transition and treat them proactively. Pack large voids with cementitious grout to create a durable barrier that pests cannot chew through or tunnel behind. Install a continuous metal termite shield that cantilevers over the foundation so insects encounter a hard, visible obstruction, while you also seal the top edge with a compatible exterior sealant to prevent moisture wicking. Where irregular gaps remain, use high-density spray foam fitted with a rigid rodent baffle over the foam so mice cannot gnaw through the soft material and re-enter the cavity. Ensure sill plates are pressure-treated or coated with a preservative compatible with framing, and that any fasteners are corrosion-resistant to prevent future decay that would reopen gaps. After exterior work is complete, apply a bead of exterior-grade elastomeric caulk at the foundation to sheathing interface and backfill carefully to avoid disturbing seals. Document locations so you can inspect and maintain them annually. Common mistakes include relying solely on soft foam which rodents can chew through, so add the rigid baffle and consider cement or metal where possible. Another mistake is leaving gaps under the termite shield because installers do not seal its top edge. Remedy that by running a continuous bead of exterior sealant and checking for voids with a flashlight. A third issue is untreated sill plates that rot and create new entry points. Prevent that by using pressure-treated or sealed sill plates and by keeping a routine annual inspection and touch-up schedule. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who work on foundation transition pest sealing and other exterior barrier solutions. We host a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, ask questions, and find contractors and projects that match our needs.